To build a simple landing page with SendPulse, you can utilize their landing page builder tool, which allows you to create professional-looking landing pages without needing any coding skills. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. You can use the link in the description to try SendPulse. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Landing Pages section. This is where you'll find the Landing Page Builder tool. Click on the Create a Landing Page button to start building your landing page. SendPulse offers a variety of pre-designed templates to choose from. Browse through the templates and select one that best fits your needs or matches your branding. After selecting a template, you can customize it according to your preferences. You can edit text, change images, adjust colors, and rearrange elements using the drag-and-drop editor. If your landing page includes a form for collecting leads or subscribers, you can add form fields such as name, email address, phone number, etc. SendPulse integrates seamlessly with its email marketing tools, allowing you to capture leads directly into your mailing lists. Set up the settings for your landing page, such as the page title, URL, meta description, and SEO settings to optimize it for search engines. Once you've finished customizing your landing page, preview it to see how it looks. Make any final adjustments if necessary, and then publish it. After publishing your landing page, you can monitor its performance using SendPulse analytics tools. Track metrics such as the number of visitors, conversions, bounce rate, etc., to gauge the effectiveness of your landing page. Based on the performance data, you can optimize your landing page further to improve its effectiveness. Experiment with different elements, such as headlines, call to action buttons, and images, to see what resonates best with your audience. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily build a simple landing page with SendPulse and start capturing leads or promoting your products and services effectively.